Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Vanessa. Here I will fulfill my assignment in English for biology. I will do a presentation about the ants that blow up themselves to save their colonies. I took a reading from National Geographic magazine. In there you can see many popular articles about science, technology, and nature. So, okay, let's start now. Please pay attention. Okay, let's start with the title is Exploding Ants Rips Itself Apart to Protect its Own. High in the treetops of Borneo, there's an ant with a deadly secret it can explode in. On the outside, it's just inconspicuous brownish red ant, like this picture. It lacks large mandibles, so it have a tiny mouth parts and cannot sting, and generally seems like easy for picking any predators. And next, they call this ant as Colobopsis explodens. Then, entomologists named Alice Leslie said when this ant feel threatened, they raise up their arms as a warning, like this. Then, if the attacker comes, they doesn't back up. So brave, right? One or more tiny bite down on it angle their backside in case, and flex so hard that their abdomen bursts at the seams. And when they exploding, the ant unleash a secretion that is bright yellow, sticky, and toxic. What's more, Leslie says, this little yellow goo has a distinct and not unpleasant smell that strangely reminds her of a curry. Next, another thing that's unusual about exploding ants is their division of labor. The much smaller ants explode a little yellow goo that kills much larger predator. Among most ants, as we know, that larger ants are a major to a lot of defending and attacking, as we know. So it's curious when in Colobopsis explodens, the smaller ants or minors are the ones with the defense chemicals. Next, the majors are rarely seen in the wild as they usually remain inside nests, says Leslie, who is also completing its PhD at the University of Vienna. But it doesn't mean the big logs are not totally useless. Indeed, Leslie and her colleagues found that the major have a blunt, sharp face which they use to become a doorstops, barricading the nest entrance if the minors and their detonating terriers can repel an attacker. Next, in her future work, Leslie aims to unravel more mysteries about the exploding ants. As we know, now, unfortunately, the trees that exploding ant called Home survive in some of the few intact rainforests remaining on Borneo, exactly in Indonesia, places where it rains in amount. Leslie said, "It's never quiet. You either hear the sounds of rain or the singing of cicadas, birds, and screaming monkey." As we know, now in Indonesia occurs many of forest fires that it die many creature habitat in there. So we must keep our environment to keep safe for our life. And that's enough for me. That's enough from me. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.